And greetings to you from the Kentucky Weather Studio. It's the 8th day of March 2016. Looking at about 25 minutes till 11 o'clock in the nighttime hours. We're glad to have you along with this podcast. Been a beautiful day across Kentucky. Temperatures across the region ranged in the upper to mid 70s across all of the state. The cool place in the Commonwealth was in Harlan County, Kentucky. They always have a little bit different temperatures there. And barely got 60 degrees, 61 and a half degrees for Harlan County over in eastern Kentucky. Elsewhere across the area, as I said, upper to mid 70s was the rule. Well, we had some couple of emails on our email account regarding the weather situation, and they said, well, maybe we missed the forecast. And, sometimes we're right, sometimes we're wrong. But we did mention several days ago that there was a risk of severe weather that would be impacting the eastern, southeastern part of the United States. And that was all from this system that's moving in through the Gulf of Mexico, pushing an abundance amount of moisture up from the Gulf into the Tennessee, Mississippi, Ohio Valley. Now, here's what happened. If you look at some of the weather maps, you'll see a large high pressure right off the east coast, and that is what has kept the precipitation from making its way farther to the east, farther to the north, and impacting us with showers and thunderstorms. But the amount of precipitation, water that's headed up from the Gulf of Mexico will bring additional rainfall to the Lake Cumberland, Green River area and pretty much overcover the state. This would start on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and right into the first part of the week. We'll see temperatures moderate to near 80 degrees. We could see some 80 degree temperatures around the area tomorrow and on Thursday across the region. Now, if we were to get a break in the thunderstorm and the cloud cover through those periods of time, could be some instability there that would create a pop-up thunderstorm across the area. But it looks like that things are not going to pan out for any severe weather across the area for us. Anything that would happen would be Thursday or Friday night across the region for thunderstorm development. But right now it seems pretty benign. Now, if you look down farther to the south tonight, we've been watching the weather throughout the evening off and on. And they've had numerous storm warnings and tornado warnings. I think we've had some damage reported down south from tornadoes all along the day, and that threat does continue tomorrow as well. So that is the weather picture that we have now. You can enjoy your day tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day across the area. And then as we get into Thursday, no rain really in the forecast, a few sprinkles, but clouds will move in and temperatures will remain warm. But then today, or I should say Wednesday, will be the best day out of the bunch for the week because warmer temperatures, and that will give way to showers and maybe a thunder shower across the area before it's all said and done on Monday of next week. So that's pretty much all that I have for you tonight. We'll continue to watch the weather forecast and keep you posted as we go along. Not a lot to talk about. Now, if we venture into the middle part of March, if you'll notice on our Facebook page, we will tell you this, that Old Man Winter isn't finished yet. So don't get accustomed to the 70 and 80 degree temperatures because they're going to go away and Old Man Winter's going to come back about the middle part, near the end part of March, along about the 21st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. We can see some snow across the area. This is meteorologist Daniel Wilson from the Kentucky Weather Center, and I thank you for joining me.